Let's test your detective skills. Study this set of equations. 8 divided by 1/2 equals 16. 10 divided by 1/3 equals 30. 4 divided by 1/5 equals 20. Do you notice a pattern? Let's look. In the first equation, 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. In the second equation, 10 multiplied by 3 is 30. And in the last equation, 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. So there is a pattern. Dividing a whole number by a unit fraction is the same as multiplying a whole number by the denominator of the unit fraction. So our problems can be solved like so. 8 times 2 equals 16. 10 times 3 equals 30. 4 times 5 equals 20. These equations show that we can turn equations that have fractions into simple multiplication problems. Pretty cool, right? Let's put our pattern recognition skills into good use. A school sent groups of students to pick up trash alongside a local street. The street was 3 miles long. The principal decided that the street should be split into sections, each 1/5 of a mile in length, and each group of students would be responsible for one section. How many groups of students would be needed for this project? Since the street is 3 miles long and it is to be divided into fifths, we need to solve the problem 3 divided by 1/5. Remember the pattern we discovered earlier? 3 divided by 1/5 equals 3 times 5. So our answer is 15. 15 groups of students are needed. After we recognized the pattern, solving that problem was a snap, and it was fun as well. See you soon!